Did you know that one man held America hostage for 18 years with nothing but homemade bombs and a typewriter? Between 1978 and 1995, packages of death arrived without warning. Airlines, universities, computer stores, each explosion more calculated than the last. The FBI called him the Unabomber. His real name was Ted Kaczynski. 3 people died. 23 others were maimed for life. The investigation became the longest and most expensive in FBI history. For nearly 2 decades, he remained a ghost, living completely off the grid in a tiny Montana cabin, no electricity, no running water, and just bomb-making materials, and a burning hatred for modern technology. The breakthrough came from an unexpected source. After his 35,000-word manifesto was published, one person recognized the writing style immediately, his own brother. When agents finally reached that remote cabin, they found a treasure trove of evidence, bomb components, detailed journals, the typewriter that had terrorized the nation. A brilliant mathematician had become America's most wanted domestic terrorist, and family loyalty ultimately brought him down.